Now, ladies and gentlemen, if we could have our dignitaries to the mound. Welcome to our newly renovated Student Activity Center baseball field. It is with great honor and pride to announce that tonight's game will be the very first varsity game ever played on the new and improved field. There were so many people involved in making this possible. We would first like to thank all of our school board members with us tonight. From the school board, we have Mr. Victor Perry, Mr. Jorge Barrera, and Ms. Lupita Fuentes. We'd also like to thank our superintendent, Mr. Samuel Mijares, our assistant superintendent, Mr. Rolando Salinas, and athletic director, Mr. Eddie Graff, for the countless time and energy involved in making this all feel real and special for our boys. Without the continued dedication of our school board and superintendent, Samuel Mijares, projects like this field would not come to fruition. This field is proof that they believe in our students' futures and are willing to invest their development and their craft. At this time, let's welcome Mr. Victor Perry to the pitcher's mound as he will be throwing out the ceremonial first pitch to inaugurate our newly renovated Eagle Pass Independent School District baseball stadium. Just a bit outside. On behalf of Coach Mendoza and the Eagle Pass baseball team, thank you for joining us on this special night of baseball. We appreciate all your support. Now, let's play ball.